Alden Nature Update. Yung post ni Alden sa kanyang Instagram. Yung cycling era ni Alden. Grabe pagbabike ni Alden dyan sa Italy. Yung sabi ni Alden, Paso dello Stelvio. One of the most difficult rides so far. A place where pro cyclists train with the likes of Tadje and Pogacar. And the others, no flat roads, only climbs with gradients. Minimum of 4% and maximum of 16% for 31 km. Grabe yun. And almost give up lang, struggling leg collapsing, truth in the conflict. But then I realized while I started this journey, there are moments I can call my own, my bike, my endurance, my skill, my climbs. At the end of the day, my only competitor is myself, no one else. Estelvio, you be very painful, but you taught me all a lot with, and I will come back for you better and stronger. GM Piano, Basikuro, and Lontano. And PS, reach in silence while eating the hotdog sandwich after reaching the finish line. Solid yung pagbabike ni Anet. 31 kilometers sa loob ng mahigit 3 oras. Grabe yan. Solid yung pagbabike ni Aden eh. Ayan, pinag-ready na yan. Sa daring na tournament. Kasali ang sigurado si Aden. Ayan, pinagdaanan talaga na yung Aden lahat ng pagsubok. Pero kakayanin niya. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.